In my point of view, as we know, disaster is a sudden event that affects our fractional society and a result of human economic and environmental loss. Disaster are of two types. First, natural, like earthquake. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar. I am from Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my schooling class 12 from UP board with 74% mark. At present, I am pursuing graduation BA. Talking about my family, there are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. And in my free time, I like to play cricket and listen music. And the aim of my life is to join Air Force. And the topic is given to us is disaster management. And there are two types of disaster: man-made disaster and natural disaster. And natural disaster the natural disaster is a very important issue in the world.
I am Devansh Chan. I am 18 years old. I am doing BSc. I have a nuclear family. I like to play cricket. I live at Pukhraya in Kanpur Dehat. Now let us discuss about the topic disaster management. Disaster means a lot of difficulties. Disaster management are two types: man-made disaster and natural disaster.
I hail from Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth. My father, Mr. Vijay Bahadur Singh, is a teacher. My mother, Miss Meena Singh, is a housemaker. In my free time, I like to listening music and watching touristic blogs. And in my aim in life to join the Indian Air Force. And as you all know very well that today is our topic about disaster management. There are two types of disaster: natural disaster and man-made disaster. As if we talk about natural disaster, we can find tsunami, earthquake, and wildfire, etc.
Yadu, I am from Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12 2018 and also completed graduation 2021. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. In my free time activities, I like to play cricket and also complete solving question. The ultimate goal of my life is join Indian Air Force. The title of the passage is disaster management. Disaster management is a phenomenon, natural phenomenon. There are two types of disaster. There are two types of phenomenon. First, man-made and natural disaster.
Respected sir and dear friends, my name is Amit Chand Nisad. I belong to Damola Dagra district, Azamgarh in Uttar Pradesh state. My qualification is 10+2 with 77% mark. I am pursuing graduation BSc with PCM subject. There are 6 members in my family. My father, Mr. Lalla Nisad, he is a farmer, and my mother, Mrs. Aruna Devi, she is a good housewife. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectable job in our society, and I want to serve my nation. Thank you. And friends, today my topic is disaster management. When a natural disaster comes in our society or areas, then it is not knows who is poor or rich, where is urban areas or rural areas. When it comes, then destroy everything. There are 2 types of disaster: natural disaster and man-made disaster. Natural disaster is bhukamp, earthquakes, and landslides and icebergs, etc. And man-made disaster is leakage in chemical factories and terrorism that is increasing in our society. And friends, it is also necessary that we should manage the.
And dear friends, I am Anand Misra from Riva, which is famous for the land of white tiger in MP. I have passed my class 12th with 86% in MP board 2020. And my father's name is Rakesh Kumar Misra and my mother's name is Pushpa Misra. We are 5 siblings and I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. In my free times, I like to visit in my local areas and listen music. And my aim is to join Indian Air Force because I want to fulfill my parents' dream, and I like it adventurous life. Today's topic is disaster and its affected waste management. As we know that what is disaster, because we can see in coastal areas tsunamis, and we can see earthquakes in Himalayas and Rajasthan fields, and we can see earthquake and volcanoes.
Jai Hind friends, I am Atithi Yadav. I have done my 12th with PCM and I am pursuing BA in Political Science from University of Allahabad. There are 7 members in my family. My father, Mr. Bansilal Yadav, is a farmer. My mother, Mrs. Rannu Devi, is a housemaker. And there are 5 siblings, and I live at Pratapgarh in UP. Ultimate aim of my life is join Indian Air Force. Dear friends, today our topic is a very sensitive topic, that is disaster management. There are 2 types of disaster management, that is man-made and natural disaster, as earthquake, flood, drought, attacks, and disaster.
Hi friends, my name is Rajnikant Singh. I am from Gazipur in UP. I have completed my 12th 2019. I and also completed my BSc 2021. There are 5 members in my family. My father name is Mr. Brand Singh and mother name is Geeta Devi. I have my free time activity, listen music and solve math question. I want to join Air Force because there is no in my family in armed force. Let's switch on the topic disaster management. Disaster don't discrimination about rich and poor, women and children, etc. There are 2 types of disaster management, man-made and natural. Natural just hurricane, earthquake, plate tectonic theorem, and man-made. There are many types of freeze gas releases and just freon, chlorofluorocarbon and plastic etc.
A very disastrous result, and we also see that Indian government promotes by giving awards named Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award, and recently Vinod Kumar had
in the concept of natural disaster we have seen before 5 to 6 years ago in the Uttarakhand. There is a natural disaster happened when clouds this flooded and lots of water, there is a lot of flood happening and lots of people were damaged.
Disaster management is very important. As we know, we are not stopped disaster, but we are reducing the losses disaster. Is the natural disaster, and the Earth's average temperature increase is called global warming. And the man is fully responsible for the global warming. Deforestation and man activity against nature. We can control its affected by the living river as a effect, and we can control tsunamis affected by certain
In disaster management, many forces are to save people, and in disaster management, many infrastructure are destroyed.
As my friend said, the natural global warming is directly related to the natural disaster, because we see that unseasonal raining, and in some part of India we see that flood every year, and we also see that in Bundelkhand kind of region we see that drought, this kind of, because of it is the kind of natural disaster.
Many people are dying in disaster.
Carbon emission is the main cause of the natural disaster, and our Prime Minister promised to the world in 2075 India is the 0% emission of the carbon.
We have also seen 19 there was an artificial cardiac in Bhopal.
A very disastrous result, and we also see that Indian government promotes by giving awards named Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award, and recently Vinod Kumar had
disaster management is very important. As we know, we are not stopped disaster, but we are reduced the losses disaster.
Is the natural disaster, and the Earth average temperature increase is called global warming, and the man is the fully responsible for the global warming, for deforestation, man activity against nature.
Every year, and we also see that in Bundelkhand kind of region, we see that drought, this kind of, because of it is the kind of natural disaster.
Many people are fighting disaster.
We have also seen 1983
Carbon emission is of the natural disaster, and our Prime Minister committed to the world in 2075. India is the 0% emission of the carbon.
India many children are the one.
We have also seen 1983 there was artificial cardiac in Bhopal.
जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।